Hello. I just received an email, so let's see what is in the email. Okay, it seems that I've got here an attachment. Let's tap on the attachment and open it. Okay, so the file is called sales data, so I guess there is some sales data in there. Yeah, this is a huge table. Huge table here in Excel with a lot of columns. It's pretty hard to understand. Let's see how could we understand this better. I've got an application for this, so I tap here and I search here, copy to Vizable. The data is now loaded in this application called Vizable. Vizable is a data analysis application for mobile devices, specifically for iPad, created by the guys from Tableau, and I will try to analyze the data that I receive in the email with this application. Wow, what we have here! So, Vizable loaded my data from the Excel and analyzed a bit and figured out that I've got there a dimension called name, and I've got there a measure which is called internet total freight. So now if I drag the name to the left or to the right, then I can bring in another dimension and the chart is immediately changed. So now I go in the year or the promotion that was used or the promo category. I just can click here and I see here all the dimensions I have. Let's say we can select the country. So this is a chart that shows me my freight cost per country. Now I'm not so much interested in Canada, so Canada I can pull out of the selection, and France. Let's say I'm interested just in these 4 countries, but here I would like to have a breakdown per years. So what I can do, I go over the dimension and I pinch out like this. So a new dimension came in, and now I want another one, not promotion but the year. So this looks very nice, really awesome. Now here on the right side where I got my my measures, I would like to have another measure. For that I can go in this area and pinch out here, so the next measure comes in, and this is internet total sales. I can change it to something else, but actually let's leave it to internet total sales. Very, very nice. Now I would like to order this list the other way around, so that the year with the least sales is on top. So I just drag it down once and twice, and now my list is ordered the other way around. And actually on the freight I wouldn't like to have a sum, but I would like to have an average cost. So I will drag this, I will tap and drag one upper, the name of the measure, and now the average cost and the distribution of the values is displayed over there. This looks really, really nice. So it gives some much more meaning to the data, like I had before in Excel. By tapping on the name of the measure, I've got the list of all the available measures in my file, so I can select from here a different one. But now what I would like to do, I would like to see how these values are developing over the time period. So therefore I go up here and I switch to this timeline mode, and here I would like to select another measure. Let's take the sales, and let's not take the maximum, but take the sum of the sales. So these are my sales values over the years. I'm interested particularly in the year 2013, so therefore I will zoom in, and you can see how nice this is zoomed, and I can see here the different weeks with more zooming over a month. And let's analyze. If I tap on this, will tell me that in this week my sum of sales was 225,000. Now I would like to compare this value with the next month, so I drag this, and this will tell me that there is a change of minus 11%. I would like now to see how this difference from month to month develops over the time. So I just can drag this window to the left and the right, and the change is immediately indicated. Moreover, if I want to compare more than 2 consecutive months, let's say, or weeks, then I can increase the width of this comparison area, and now the values are compared between the first and the last period in my selection. This is a much more comprehensive way of looking to the data than the one from the initial table format. On the lower left corner, you've got the information how many records are in this file, how many records were analyzed to reach to this result. And now, since it's looking so good, I would like to share with somebody. So I will tap on this one, and let's say I want to share via email. I click on my email, and immediately the email is open. I can type in here my email address, and the visualization I just created with the help of this email client to send it to my email address or to somebody else's. So guys, I find this application really fantastic. It really helps you to give to interpret your data in a much more in a much better way than just looking to some plain tables with numbers.